Hey, what's up, you guys? Say hi, Michael.
Hello.
Say hi, other Michael.
No.
Say hi, May.
Hey, no. It's Asian persuasion.
Asian persuasion, Gasian, who will never be my Bayesian.
You want to be a baby.
Coming out of the closet right there.
Anyway, we're walking home right now.
I don't know about you, but I'm jogging.
Oh, he's jogging. Anyway, so.
Not cocked in my ass.
So can Michael yell Nike?
And you won't get any. You won't get any money on your YouTube video.
Hey, wait, Michael, can you do me a favor? Can you yell Nike spiel for the video?
No.
Huh?
Maybe. How much is getting paid? Yeah, how much am I getting out of this?
Zero shekels.
Damn. Make it negative 3.5 shekels in this video.
All right, there, doing it. Done.
Knuckle spiel. White power. What power? That translates to?
Wait, really?
No. You think I've been yelling white power in German this whole time?
No.
Germany power.
I think it's time to stop.
Go. Naruto. Naruto.
Naruto.
What are you guys ready for? Anything go on the street! I was going like 40. Yeah, right?
He's breaking the speed limit. There's psychopaths in this area.
Wait. Did you just assume that they're mental disabilities? Some people have the gender dysphoria shit, okay? And they think that they have other genders than male and female.
True.
So, you can't just assume people's mental.
What's up, bitches?
Oh my god, you're gonna need to cut out anything Michael says. Like,
I can't,
when they
man.
watch the video,
I don't know.
like,
I don't
why
make
are
money.
these 3 people walking around, and then they'll be like, "Oh wait, here's the uncut version." And it's like, "Oh, there's 4."
What's up, bitches?
See? Now you have to.
All right, Michael, cover this lens.
What?
Cover the lens. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Nathan. It's gonna be a short vlog today, but I'm here with
AJ Styles, Robert Owen.
Yeah, he cut his hair, guys. He's no longer a hippie. Now we all have short hair except for me because, oh my god, because we were all sick of it. All sick of having long hair, so now we got fed up.
We're on the search for Michael.
No, we're not.
We're just gonna lure him somewhere into a dark alley. We're gonna kick him in the nads, in the vagina.
Good God. All right, here we are, Jefferson Elementary School. The place to be when you're lacking in the ability to see. Hey, that rhymed, did it not? And now we decided to go. Where are we going, Robert? Hey. Where are we going?
Hell.
Rogers?
Hell.
Rogers.
Lincoln.
Rogers.
Hell.
So we're like heading to Lincoln, and look what we found thanks to Robert. Okay, I want you to hold it real quick.
This is gonna be cool.
Hold it. I'm gonna plug my ears just in case. Wait, I have my headphones in. I'll take it back. I got my headphones in.
Pause train, pause! There was a breeze that came up here.
Yeah, I felt it. I think he was saying, I think the guy honked at us on purpose.
That was a good move.
How long is it? Oh my god, it's so low and Robert. Shaking is not a joke.
Shaking the fucking ground.
Oh, there's the end of the train.
I'm getting off this.
Wait, we can still go. We can still go. The ending's right there. Do that again. Oh wait, I'll film it with the training view. Alright, now do it. No, keep dancing. Just no, like face the camera. Alright, here it comes, the final end.
Ha! I hit the train! 500 points! Yeah, you can see the cars going over there.
Yep.
Dude, I wonder what happened if I took a piss on it.
I don't even know. Don't do it.
Whoop, whoop.
Here's the final car, everybody. I'm about to. Alright, so we're at Lincoln right now, and currently, what are you doing? Oh, he's on the phone with Mikey. He's not going to show up, but, you know, I'm actually desperately trying to get down here.
You have water at your head.
Yeah. Alright. I hope you had fun hanging with me. I had fun hanging with you. And I will see you on the very next episode of Hanging with Nathan! Have a good day, everybody, and I will see you later. Bye.